Let's move to the consumer buying process. There are 5 stages of consumer buying process. Okay, and then but please bear in mind that not all decision processes lead to a purchase. All right, they might comes to the first, second, third, but then fourth up to purchase decision, but then there is no purchase at all, and no purchases at all. All right, okay. Sometimes they just identify the problem, and then they just stop there. Okay, so that is the processes being uh, happen. The process happen in consumer buying process. So here in figure 11.4, there are 5 stages of consumer buying process, which are problem or need recognition. Okay, second is information seeking. Third is evaluation of alternatives. Fourth is purchase decision. And the last stage is post-purchase evaluation. Alright, let's take a look at the first one, problem or need recognition. Okay, so here is the awareness of need. Okay, the differences between the desired state and the actual condition. Okay, what is your need currently? Alright, let's say you are hungry. So what do you need? You need a food. Alright, so hunger stimulates your need to eat. Okay, what else? You need a shelter, so you need to buy house. Okay, so that is problem recognition. Second stage, after you identify the problem, okay, it is time for information seeking. You search for an information. Okay, so search for let's say the restaurant, you search for the menus, you search for the prices. Okay, you ask opinions of others where to eat. Okay, if let's say for buying a house, what you need to do is you may search the information from the personal sources, your friends, your families, public sources, or through experiences, through reading, for example. Okay, so through family, friends and family, the relative, it is a word of mouth. Okay, all right, and then what do we have? Let's say just now we are hungry. I'm hungry, so I need food. That is our first we have the first stage in which we identify problem. Second stage is in which you want to go out and eat. All right, so what do you want to eat? Do you want Chinese food? Do you want an Indian food? Do you want fast food? All right, Malay food, and so on. So you have to search for this information. If let's say, all right, you want a fast food, for example. So you have decided that you want fast food, so you need to search for fast food that are near to you, for example, and search for an information. All right, and then the third stage is evaluation of alternatives, okay, which are comfortable, affordable, how will others react to them. All right, so in this case, okay, evaluation of alternative is you need to establish criteria for the evaluation. Okay, the features that you want or that you don't want. All right, okay, you may decide that you want to eat something spicy. Okay, um, let's say here something spicy, fast food. What is it? Maybe you want to go to McDonald's for fried chicken. All right, and then that is the evaluation of alternatives. Or if let's say you want burger, something that is grilled, all right, so you will go to Burger King, for example. Okay, and then purchase decision is the fourth stage in which you have to choose rationally or emotionally. All right, rationally or emotionally is in which, all right, you choose buying alternative include the product, package, store, method of purchase. All right, buying alternative. If let's say in Puncak Alam we don't have Burger King, so what do we have? We have McDonald's. Okay, you want spicy burger that is spicy is what is the name of that burger? Fish spicy something, or spicy chicken McDeluxe if it is a chicken burger. Alright, so includes the package. What package do you want? What meals do you want? Is it a set or a la carte? Alright, which store? Of course, in Puncak Alam, we just have that one store. Method of purchase, either you want it for delivery, or you will dine in, or drive through. Alright, that is purchase decision. And then, okay, this purchase decision comes with the purchase stage, in which in this textbook we don't have it. Purchase, in which you will purchase what do you want just now. The evaluation of alternatives, the purchase decision. Okay, you want, let's say, spicy chicken McDeluxe. All right. Okay, so you have that purchase decision and you did the purchase. You purchased the burger. And the last one is post-purchase evaluation, in which you observe reactions of others, test durability, compare with older shoes. This is the example in the textbook. So here, if we talk about the burger just now, okay, whether you satisfied or dissatisfied with the burger, the taste of the burger, the size, all right, have you made the right decision? All right. Usually, if you are hungry, you buy food, and then you will feel full. All right, so you are satisfied with buying that burger. Okay. um, but if let's say after eating that spicy chicken McDeluxe, you may think that you really wanted Burger King, so it is a dissatisfaction. Okay, let me give you another example of, let's say, just now I talked about if you need a shelter, you need a home, a house. All right, so you need to buy house. The first thing is need recognition, problem recognition. Okay, so you need to buy a house. Second is information seeking. Okay, so you need to find out from personal sources, your friends, family, relatives, your colleagues, public sources, all right, experiences. And you go to the developer, for example. Okay, information seeking. What type of property that you want, whether it is a landed property, whether it is a service apartment, freehold or leasehold, bumi lot, Malay reserve lot. All right, and then the cost that you want to buy the house, your budget, and then whether there's a housing loan that you can apply, 100% loan, for example, without deposit. Okay, and then you need to find the real estate lawyer. After that, you have to do the evaluation of all those things that I've talked about just now, and the type of property, cost, housing loan, the deposit. Okay, so look at the evaluation of alternatives. You look at maybe the whether it is strategic to your office, whether it is the design of the house is of your uh, choice, the price, the prestige, the name of the developer, all those things, the quality of the house itself. And then you will come to the purchase decision. All right, strategic. If it is strategic, close to your workplace or close to your parents. So your workplace, strategic location close to your workplace is a rational motives. Okay, reason for purchase a product that are based on a logical evaluation of product attribute. All right, as compared to emotional motives, it is close to your parents. Okay, reason for purchasing a product that are based on non-objective factors. You want to be close to your parents so that you can take a look. You can look after your parents. All right. Okay, and then it will be the purchase stage, in which we don't have it in this textbook. And the last one is the post-purchase evaluation, whether you are satisfied or dissatisfied with the purchase. Right? Not all consumers are satisfied with their purchase. And sometimes it is because of the quality or after sales service of the developer, for example. Okay, so most of the time, those customers who are satisfied with the product or the services, they will share their experiences to others. But nowadays, if they are dissatisfied with certain things, the bad word of mouth will reach the other customers, your potential customers. All right, so these are the things that you should know. And the consumer buying process, it is actually a logic processes that you may remember. It is your daily process, buying food, going to class, what else, buying clothes, buying, you go to a photo state shop, for example. All right, okay.